index has bounced from that year low that we saw here recently. Jeff Gunlock saying that he thinks the dollar has bottomed, at least in the short term. So we're up to 92.45 right now. And oil is now at a 5-week high, Bob Pisani, as more refineries are brought back online. That increases the demand for crude oil here in the U.S., and we're up to 49, almost to $50 a barrel right now, with a gain of 2.4% today.
And it's back. The mini rally in energy. In fact, there's a mini rally in several groups that are going on today. Look, we paused today, but remember, the S&P is up 1.5% this week. We've had quite a move. This is historic highs. So retail stocks are in a mini rally phase right now. Yes, Nordstrom had some
I was going to say,
maybe,
Nordstrom has something to do with it, I think.
But L Brands, Gap, JCPenney, these are all up 3, 4, 5% this week alone. And this is the third day in a row they've been up big. You were talking about energy stocks. This is another one of these. I get hate mail about this. Don't tell us about buying energy, Bob. We tried twice this year. We got our head handed to you. There's a lot of hatred towards energy stocks right now, but we're in the middle of another rally with oil standing near $49. The other mini group rally is sort of pausing today, and those are the bank stocks. Of course, the yields have been moving up. Let's just say it's either side of positive or negative for most of the big bank stocks today, Bill.
And you had an IPO pricing tonight, which you'll get to coming up here.
Social Capital, Hida Sophia. I just like saying the name, Hida Sophia.
You get to say it again next half hour here coming up. So we got those record highs for the major averages in the stock market today. Stay tuned. We'll get more from that bipartisan meeting at the White House coming up on the second hour of the closing vote with Kelly Evans and Company. See you tomorrow, Kel.
Thank you, Bill. Welcome to the closing bell, everybody. I'm Kelly Evans, and we have more record highs across Wall Street today. It looks like some small declines on the S&P 500, increases, I should say, for the S&P and the NASDAQ. Just on the bell there puts all three of the major averages in record close. So again, the Dow, which was higher there by 37 points to close at 22,156. That's a new record, second day in a row. The S&P managed to add nearly 2 points to 2498. We're less than 2 points away from 2,500. That's a record close. The NASDAQ managed to gain about 0.1% today to 6460. And yes, that is a record close. Now, the Russell 2000 with just about a 3.5-point gain there. A 0.25% increase actually makes it the best performer on the street today, but at 1426, it is still shy of the 1450 record high. It still holds from the end of July for those small caps. We'll have more on all of this in just a moment. Now, President Trump holding a bipartisan meeting on tax reform this afternoon. He says the wealthy may not be getting a tax cut under his new plan, and maybe even an increase. We've got a congressman from that meeting to give us